Oscar has 5 times as much as Kelvin. Stan and Oscar have $94. Stan and Kelvin have $78. How much does Stan have? Now this question seems to be very complicated, but can actually be very easy if you draw models to represent the information. So we know that Stan and Oscar have $94. So I'm going to use this brown color rectangle to represent how much Stan has, and this green colored rectangle to represent how much Oscar has. Then we also know that Stan and Kelvin, they have $78. So again, we use the brown rectangle to represent how much Stan has. This time we use a blue rectangle to represent how much Kelvin has. Now this would be $94. And this at the bottom would be $78. Now, Oscar has 5 times as much as Kelvin. So this is an as much as question. So you know this is the first S, the second S, so this would be 1 unit. And this would be 5 units. So in other words, this green rectangle is actually 5 times of this blue rectangle. Therefore, I can convert this green rectangle into 5 blue rectangles. So I'm going to convert it now. Okay, that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if we notice, the difference between these two is 4 units, because the 4 units over here, okay, this would be the difference, and it would be 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4 units. And this difference is $94 minus $78, which is $16. So we know 4 units, 4 of these blue rectangles is $16. So 4 units, $16. Therefore, 1 unit would be $4. So this is actually $4. Now we know Kelvin has $4, so we want to find out how much does Stan have, which is the brown rectangle over here. We know both of them have $78 altogether, so I need to take $78 minus $4, which is how much Kelvin has, to get $74. So we know that Stan has $74.